Hello everyone, this is Tamid Hassan Kamprito. I just got a news from my office that we have to work from home during the lockdown period through Google Meet. In the COVID pandemic situation, we all aware that going outside from home is too risky for our health and the public transportation condition is not so good. And everything in this situation go for online based. Office meeting, business deal, consult with a doctor, even the education sector also moving towards to online based communication system. For official meeting, Word, file transfer, what to use? Google Meet, Zoom meeting, etc. Whether you know it's secure or unsecure. When you run a meeting or office work through Google Meet or Zoom, it's quite unsecure because this app saves all the data. Google uses DTLS SRTP to secure connection between users. Google Meet documentation suggests all calls are encrypted between users and Google itself. All the applications have same function. All data in Meet is encrypted in transit by default between the client and Google for video meeting on a web browser, on the Meet Android and Apple apps, and in meeting rooms with Google Meeting Room hardware. Meet recordings stored in Google Drive are encrypted at rest by default. Like Google Meet, Zoom, all these apps are for common use, so it's easy to be hackable by a professional hacker. So there is no surety that these applications are not hackable. As Unilever is a reputed multinational company and they have many business secrets, patents, ingredients which is very confidential. There are many competitors in the market who wants to lead in the market. Sometimes they choose some unethical ways to defeat their competitors. Who knows, they might hire a hacker and hack your meetings, mail, files, etc. So these things need to be protected. We all know the world is moving faster day by day and multinational companies, IT sector also. Still we don't know what comes next after the COVID, which pandemic is waiting for us. No one knows what will happen tomorrow, so we have to be prepared for all the unknown disasters and pandemic situation because for Unilever, stop working for a long time brings losses for the company. From this, I suggest Unilever to launch an app for their internal official activities. This app called UConnect, an app where the employee can do all their office work from anywhere in the world. This app also includes video meeting, service, file transfer, file edit option from top to bottom level employee. By this, all data file will be secure and no threat of revealing any data. Now, there might be a question in your mind. If those applications could be hacked, why UConnect cannot? Well, those apps are for common app, free for all users. Anybody can use it. But UConnect will be Unilever's private communication app, where all the users will be Unilever's employee from top to bottom. There will be no outsiders. There is less chance of hacking. Just think, Unilever has a private communication app. It can help to operate a business from anywhere in the world. The upcoming era is the era of digitization. As an organization to strive in the fast-paced world, it's time to launch an app for Unilever's employee. In the time of digitization, it's not easy to accept that Unilever don't have a private application for their office work. After launching this app, UConnect, it will be a milestone for them. Their employees will be a part of digitization. This app will be very simple, easy to handle for the employee. They don't need a Gmail ID to log in. Just entering their Unilever ID and password, they can easily log in. After entering the app, there will be 4 options. Number 1, Documents. In Documents, where employees can find all their relevant files. The file can be easily edited from top to bottom level employee. Number 2, Appointed Meeting. It will be an important thing for the employee. They can fix their meeting with their client. To enter the meeting, the client will get a guest ID. Number 3, Projects. All the running projects will be shown here, so employee can easily find their appointed project. Number 4, Pending Works. This option helps the employee as a reminder. Employee will be always conscious about their work. In conclusion, I just wanted to clarify that to cope up with the upcoming digitalization world, UConnect is not a want, it's a need. Thank you so much for your time and consideration. Have a good day.